Hello YouTube, today I'm making the video of 4Runner inverter hack. So the problem is when you are idle and you are standing, when you press the 4Runner inverter power button, the inverter on the back will give you 400 watts. But as soon you will place it in the drive mode, it will move back to 100 watt. So when you're driving, you're not going to get the full 400 watts. So a lot of companies are selling their products is around $45, $40, $50, but there is a hack. So let's do it and let me show you how. So first you have to open the panel from the back. So it's very harder. You have to move this tool to push it upwards, like push it towards yourself. Once it's released, pull it down and upper two connectors will release. After that, we have to unplug these front panels. Just press small clips, it will get disconnected. You can see. After that, unplug it from the connector, white connector from the inverter. So here's the mechanism I'm showing here. This clip, press the upper button, the clip, and pull it out. After that you will see a connector. So I'm going very quickly here. You will see bunch of cables, bunch of connections. So I will show you later what connection we have to work. So the red cable is actually on the position number 2 and the black cable is position number 6. When I will sell my car, that's why I'm not cutting the red cable. Otherwise you can completely cut the red cable, which is on the option number 2. Here in the picture you will see. In the picture you will see there's a pin number 2 and pin number 6. We have to deal with these two pins. We have to totally remove the pin number 2, or you can remove it. I'm trying to remove it, but if you don't want to use it in the future, you can cut it. And number 6, we have to cut it that it going back to the car, but we have to need like inch or 2 because we have to connect number 6 cable back to the body panel. This is whatever the colors over here, you have to note these two pins, pin number 2 and 6. We have to deal with this. This method is for Tacoma, this method for 4Runner 5th generation, 3rd generation 4Runner, newer 4Runner 6th generation, and Tacoma 6th generation. Keep in mind this one, 2 cables. Okay, I have a camera recording, so let me grab it. Nothing. Pull it down. Oh man. With the camera recording, this camera is on the way. Oh, here you go, pin came out. Here you go. Pin came out. So there's a lock mechanism, right? You will hold it like flat screw, hold it like this and push it down, and then it will release it. Because there's a clip, this clip is here like this. You have to push it down. That's the mechanism. And because I see the empty, here is the method. This is what I did. This is a small lock or pin or clip. I pull it down and then I stress the cable and pin release. Keep in mind. And here you go, it came out. So it was inside like this. It was inside like this, right? So the lock was actually holding this thing. Lock was holding this thing. Here you go, more light. See it? Alright, now I have to cut the black one. So this will cut the black cable. So let's do it. I have a cutter. Let me cut the black from here. Right? Like this. There you go. I did it. And let me clear it up a little bit. this. And make a cut here. Make a cut here. I'll take this cable and I'll show you where I'm plugging in. I will plug this cable on the fan bolt up there. Where is it? Here. I'll plug it here. Here you can see where I plugged it. Over there, right? And now here I will put a tape on it. This spot I will put a tape. I put a temporary tape here. It's a car's tape, is a cloth, and look at that cable, I plugged it here. It's all temporary setup, so I want to test that it works or no, right? So that's the thing. So let me plug this thing back over there. I even don't know how I unplugged it. Yeah, this way, the outside. Yeah, there you go. All right, I hope the cable is not broken. So the red cable is a speed cable, is a gear cable. Let's try by installing everything back. All right, so I unplugged it. Let's start the car and see back and forth what happened. All right. So no, this is it. So yep, it's working. Here you go. I'm on a drive. Here you go, the D drive, and it's nothing happening. I'm moving. No, direct 400. Okay. I'm making a video right now. I'm driving. 400 watts on the inverter is on, and I'm driving Washington DC. I have a 400 watt kettle. Kettle is on. Here you go, blue light. I am driving and it's working. I have an extra length cable, power strip over here, and it's connected, and here you go. That's the proof. So that techniques work. So no issues. I am not feeling any issue. I'm driving very regular. Everything is working. AC is working. Everything is good. Here you go.